What are we making?
We make it.
How's it, donkeys? Welcome to South Africa. I am so excited to be cooking with a woman who inspired me to become a chef, my one and only mummy. What are we making?
We make vetkoek. This is about 8 cups of flour.
So 8 cups of flour, 1 bag of yeast. Yeah?
Okay, salt in.
Well, this is interesting. What is this?
Full cream.
Sour milk, yeah?
Yes.
So I make this quite differently actually. But it's nice to see the old school, authentic way to do it.
While the dough rests, we're gonna start making the vetkoek filling.
What curry are we making?
Minced curry.
So mom uses the whole pepper, including the core.
That's what Oma taught me. The flavors in here. Smell.
In a frying pan, we're gonna add all these seeds, garlic, ginger, aromatics, and tomato, followed by a secret blend of spices. Don't worry, I'll steal the recipe from her and share it with you. Alright, donkeys? Now we're gonna add the beef and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes while we prep the potatoes. Slam them in the curry with some water and cook till soft. Now click the subscribe button for more donkey treats. You donkey.
Well, I'm sure when I was small I made this for you, no?
Yes, you did. That's where you can make it.
So now we're gonna shape it and let it rise. I'm saying we as if I did any of the work. Mom did it all. I'm just a cameraman.
So mommy, is that like on a medium high heat now, yeah?
I'm gonna turn it again now on the brown.
Whilst mom was making her finishing touches to the food, I took a minute to admire this amazing view from our balcony.
No, I'm good, look. Okay. Mommy, this is not the colder one, so what is?
That is.
Okay, so what goes in there?
Minced.
Basically.
You better.
Yeah,
Better now.
Yeah, you have to try as well. What do you think? Cheers.
Cheers.
What do you think? I think it's unbelievable. Oh my word. It's like air, puddles of air with spicy, savory mince from the Cape Malay or Durban. Durban spices. Durban spices, not Cape Malay. I think it's like sweeter, isn't it? It's like sweeter, isn't it? The little dough.
Put a little sugar in the dough for this flavor with a spicy curry and you know.
Wow.
Do you like it?
I love it. Mine, when I make my vetkoek for my tasting menu, say about that thing. This person is like one of them. No, this is like the real deal. How's it? Wait, not yet. Have you recorded? Are you recording already? How's it, donkeys? Welcome to South Africa. I forgot the line. How's it, donkeys? Welcome to South Africa. Today, what today? Today what? What's the line again? I forgot. Stop.
What? What? Wait. It's not focused.
Have you started recording yet?
No. Yes.
You don't even know. How's it, donkeys? Welcome to my mummy.